Have you ever wondered how to make someone fall for you right away? It might sound like magic, but there's actually some interesting science behind it. Researchers have found powerful psychological tricks that can help you connect with someone instantly. These methods aren't about tricking anyone. They're about understanding how people think and using that knowledge to build real relationships. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven techniques to create love at first sight. These tricks are based on solid psychological principles and can help you make a great first impression, build a connection, and create a bond that could lead to something special. So, if you're ready to learn the secrets to making someone fall in love quickly, keep watching. Whether you want to strengthen an existing relationship or start a new one, these tips will help you. Get ready to use the power of psychology in your love life. Number 10. Create shared experiences. Doing things together is a great way to create memories and feel closer. When you both enjoy the same activities, it helps you bond and feel connected. Spending time together doing fun things builds a strong relationship. Think about what activities you both like. For example, cooking a meal together can be a fun way to spend time. You get to talk, work together, and enjoy the food you made. It helps you learn more about each other and share a rewarding experience. Going on a hike or spending time in nature is another good idea. Hiking helps you work as a team and gives you a chance to talk in a calm and beautiful setting. Reaching the top of a hill or exploring a new path together can make you feel closer and accomplished. Attending a concert or live event is also a fantastic way to share experiences. Music and live performances can bring out strong emotions, and enjoying them together can create a special bond. The excitement and energy of the event can lead to unforgettable moments. Number 9. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is really important for making strong connections with people because it shows that you care about them and respect what they have to say. When you actively listen, you use different techniques to show that you're paying attention and understand. One way is by making sure to look at the person speaking to show you're interested. Sometimes nodding your head or asking questions can also show that you're involved in the conversation and want to hear more. It's also good to let the person finish talking without interrupting them. And when you repeat back what they've said in your own words, it shows that you're really getting what they mean. These simple actions help build trust and make relationships stronger. Number 8. Compliment them sincerely. Giving real compliments can make someone feel really good about themselves. When you say something nice that feels honest and specific, it shows that you truly see and value something special about them. Being specific means pointing out exactly what you like or admire, which makes the compliment even more special. And it's super important to be honest too, because people can usually tell when you're not being real. When your compliment comes from your heart, it can really make someone's day and show them how much you care. So, next time you want to make someone feel happy, think about something nice and specific you appreciate about them and let them know. Number 7. Display vulnerability. Being vulnerable is about being real even when it's hard. It might feel scary, but it can actually make your relationship stronger. When you talk about your worries or things that make you feel unsure, it shows that you're just like everyone else. Sharing your vulnerabilities can help others feel less alone and bring you closer together. When you're open about your feelings, it makes it easier for others to do the same. This honesty makes your relationships deeper and more genuine. Number 6. The subtle touch. A soft touch, like a light pat on the arm or shoulder, can make you feel really close to someone. Even though it's just a small thing, it can mean a lot. When someone touches you gently, it shows they care about you and want you to feel good. It's like they're saying, "I'm here for you," without using words. These little touches can make your bond stronger and your relationship deeper. It's a way of showing love and care that can make you feel even closer to the person who touched you. Number 5. Share personal stories. When you share personal stories, it's like letting people peek into your life. It helps them feel closer to you because they can relate to your experiences. It's not just about telling facts, it's about creating a bond and building trust. Sharing your own ups and downs makes you seem more real and understandable. This honesty shows that you're sincere and trustworthy, which is important for forming strong relationships. By being open and genuine in your storytelling, you show that you're not afraid to be yourself. This makes others feel comfortable opening up too. When everyone is honest about their experiences, it brings people closer together and helps them connect on a deeper level. Sharing personal stories also makes conversations more interesting. It lets people see what you're like and what matters to you, which makes them curious and eager to talk more. Whether you're talking about funny childhood memories, exciting adventures, or lessons you've learned in life, sharing personal stories adds depth and excitement to conversations. Number 4, use their name frequently. When you use someone's name a lot when you're talking to them, it makes them feel really special. It's like giving them a little present, because it shows that you're paying attention and that you remember who they are. Hearing their name makes them feel like you see and respect them, which makes your bond stronger. It's an easy way to show that you care about them as a person and that you're interested in what they have to say. So, next time you're having a chat, try saying their name a few times. It can make them feel really good. Number 3, the magic of a genuine smile. A real smile is super special. It can make you seem nicer and more trustworthy. When you smile for real, it makes other people feel happy and comfortable around you. It's like giving them a friendly invite to chat. Ever notice how when someone smiles at you, you can't help but smile back? That's because smiles are catchy. They spread good vibes and warmth. And when you smile with your whole face, not just your mouth, it makes your smile even more genuine and welcoming. So, next time you meet someone new or want to make them feel good, give them a big, real smile. It's an easy way to make their day brighter and leave a happy impression that lasts. Number 2, the power of eye contact. Keeping eye contact when you're talking to someone is really important. It shows that you're really focused and interested in what they're saying. It also lets them know that you're confident and sincere. When you look into someone's eyes, you can share feelings and create a strong connection without saying anything. It's like telling them, I see you, I get you, and I care about what you have to say. Eye contact also shows that you're paying attention and respecting them, which makes them feel good and valued. So next time you're chatting with someone, try to keep eye contact. It can make your bond stronger, even when you're not talking. Number 1, mirror their body language. Copying. Someone's body language is like a sneaky trick to make them feel comfy and connected with you. It's like having a secret language only you two understand. To do it, just subtly copy how they move, sit, or gesture. If they lean forward, you lean forward too. If they cross their legs, you do the same. But remember, keep it natural so they don't catch on that you're doing it on purpose. Mirroring their body language helps you both feel like you're on the same page. It's like you're speaking their language without saying a word, which makes them feel close and understood. So next time you're hanging out with someone, give mirroring a try. It's a clever way to bond and make them feel like you're a team. There you have it, 10 psychological tricks to make someone fall in love with you instantly. Remember, the key is to be genuine and authentic. These techniques can help you build a real, meaningful connection that could lead to lasting love. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of psychology and relationships. See you next time.